everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. It's been a while I have uploaded a new video, so here I am with a classy look for Diwali 2021. Even if you don't wear it on Diwali, there is wedding season coming up and it can also be a great wedding guest look, so don't forget to try this out. And if you like watching my videos, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button to encourage me more to come up with more such videos. And if you wish to find me on Instagram, this is my page, go follow me over there for a lot more other videos. So let's get this started. Today I'm starting with NYX Hydra Touch as a primer. This is like my absolute favorite since I have combination skin. This hydrates my skin perfectly besides priming. So I'll just take a little bit of it and gently massage it all over my face. The next for my foundation today, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 130 Buff Beige. And I'll first apply this in dots all over my face and later on I'll just blend it all over my face using a beauty blender. Don't forget to apply your foundation on the hairline and on your neck just to make it look like one. The next for my brows today, I'll be using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo in the shade Dark Brown. It comes with lid on one end and sponge on another, so it's very easy to fill your brows and it's beginner friendly as well. And here I'm just cleaning the edges of my brows to make it look neat and clean and well defined, and for that I'm using the same foundation. If you want, you can also use a concealer, but a foundation does pretty much the same thing, so I don't mind. And the next thing, I'm just blending it out with a tiny beauty sponge. And here you can see me highlighting the highest planes of my face using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and once again I'll just blend it out using my beauty blender. It's time to set the concealed areas, so for that I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade medium, and you can see I'm using a brush to gently apply it over the areas where it creases the most. For my eyes today I'll be using this palette. This is the Morphe 35O Nature's Glow palette, and as a transitional shade I'll be taking this orange or rust orange kind of shade. The brush I'm using is also from Morphe, and I will apply it all over my crease area to intensify the crease line. And once that is done, I'll just take this dark brown shade on a thinner blending brush. This is also from Morphe, and I will apply it on the crease line, just on the crease line above the orange shade. Here my intention is not to cover the whole orange shade, but just to define the crease line and add some more depth. The next I will use this same concealer to cut the half cut crease on my upper eyelid, of course, and I'm using this tiny flat brush. This one was from Urban Decay as far as I remember, but you can use any flat brush you have. Here I'm adding some compact powder to avoid creases, of course, and the next I'll pick up some brown in that thinner blending brush and I'll just try to blend down all the harsh edges the concealer has left. To add some color today, I'll be using this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Emerald Green. I'll apply it on my entire lower lash line and later on I'll just smudge it out using a pencil brush or a flat brush. Okay, introducing you to the star of the show, which is this liquid glitter I got from Primark. You can use whichever color you want, whichever brand you have. This is the faded gold kind of shade and I'm just in love with this. And you can see this has got this sponge applicator kind of thing, which makes it super easy to apply as well. Once I have covered the whole concealed area using this glitter, I'll move on to the next step, which is this black gel liner from L'Oreal. And the intention today is not to draw a bold liner or winged liner. I'll just apply a thin line above the upper lash line just to give my eye a little bit of definition. And I'm using this angled brush from Essence. Okay, so we are almost towards the end, so I'll just give my lashes a good curl now and I'll apply this mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. This is like my super favorite. So I'll apply a good amount of it on both the upper and the lower lashes. And of course today I'll be adding false lashes after this. Whatever eye makeup you do, don't ever forget to cover the waterlines using a black kajal, and today I'm using this black kajal from NYX. This just helps you to look more intense. Moving back to my face, today I'll be cream contouring my face, and for that I'll be using this Contour Duo Stick by NYX, and I'll apply it on the hollow of my cheeks, on the side of the bridge of my nose, little bit on my forehead and my jawline to make my face look a little bit more sharp and defined. And I'm using this brush from e.l.f. to blend it out. After that I'll be moving towards the bronzer, and I'm using this NYX bronzer and the shade is Moyen, I think, and I'll be applying it to warm up my face a little to add some more color to make it look more human-like. The next I'll be blushing up my face a little, and for that I'm using this pink brush from Primark. This is super pigmented, so please be very gentle with it. And of course I'll be using this on the apple of my cheeks. Lastly, I'm taking this ivory shimmer shade from the same palette, of course, to highlight the brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. The next part is my favorite, which is highlighting, and for that I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold, and I'll be using a fan brush to apply it on the highest planes of my face where the lights will hit and bring it forward. And lastly I'll apply this Maybelline Infallible setting spray all over my face to lock my makeup, of course. Okay, so I have already applied this liquid lipstick. This is from Black Radiance and the shade name is Naughty Brown, but I feel this is little too dark, so I'll just top it up with another lighter shade, and the lighter shade I have picked up today is Adorable from Milani. So I'm already kind of impressed with how the look has turned out to be. I hope you like it, and this is a very classy look. You can easily carry it out on any Indian festival, or as a wedding guest you will just simply rock it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.